Good evening. Now this is my last step where I am going to do the same binary search where the elements are in descending order. Okay, elements are in descending order means array 2. This is the sorted list in descending order. Okay, very simple. Just here what I have done in case of ascending order. If the num value beginning index should always be less than equals to end. If when it becomes beginning is greater than end, ending index greater than any index means the beginning value, if it is greater than end index, then there is no such element present in that array, in a sorted array, whether it is descending or ascending. So not in unsorted array, point to be noted. So these are the program, means here it is the main case, means if the num, in case of ascending order, if the num value is greater than the array mid value, means the smaller than the, then definitely it is in the lower bound case, means before the middle value. So for that calculation and searching, just end will be mid minus 1, previous mid minus 1, and if the num is greater than, then it is in upper bound, then the beginning will be mid plus 1, new beginning plus same end by 2, or the new end by same end. Just in descending case, here will be beginning equals to mid plus 1, here will be end equals to mid minus 1. That is the funda, and that's what I have done. Okay, and step by step. Okay, now let's run the code and check whether it is perfectly running or not. This is for ascending case. So first time let's do, no, I don't want to continue. Now that previous code only I am explaining, just there was a mistake that I only sorted it out. The reset I forgot to reset the beginning value and end value. The assigned value in that those big and end variable directly coming from where, you already know, directly coming from that ascending case, from this ascending part. So we need to reset both equals to, one should be equals to 10 and another should be equals to 0. That's it. Now it is in descending order. So if the num value suppose 24, then it is in lower bound in case of descending. In lower bound means end, when the num value is greater than the array mid, means 14, then it will go for end equals to mid minus 1 and do the, means big equals to me, yes, end equals to mid minus 1. That is what I have done here. Else if mid value is greater than num. Okay, I have made means the, if the, yes, this is what happening, means if the num value is greater, then it will go for the lower bound. So let's enter and check. Suppose I want to find 25, 0 index. So no, this is also an exit control internal loop. The first time the mid value is match not found, the value of big is 0, 14. So 25 is, so the 25 is in lower bound and it is greater than 14. So again end equals to mid minus 1. End equals to mid minus 1 means 5 minus 1 by 2. At 2th position, it is equals to 6, means at that second, wait a minute. Okay, oh, at index 2 equals to 21. It should show me 21. Still there is a problem. Again it is this. Done at index 25 is present at the position 0. Yes, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let's check where I have made another mistake. Okay, this is the big end. Okay, the num value. Num is present at position. Okay, it's checking. Oh, array 2. This is the mistake. Array 2. Okay, mid is this. Now it will go perfectly. Okay, so let's fold it. It is not present. It is in ascending case. No. Now in descending case. Okay, in the same program I have done both the cases. Suppose I want to in upper bound, then big equals to mid plus 1. That way it goes on. Means if the num value is less than 14, then it will go for upper bound. Suppose 9. Upper bound means big equals to 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 10 by 2 equals to new mid. That way it is present. 8 is at index 8. It equals to 6. So 6 is again less than 14, then big equals to 6. Suppose 9 I want to found. So here I have came 6. 6 is less than the search value. Then the end value. End will be, end value will change when the num value is greater than the value I want to search. Then in case of descending, it will go and check for the lower bound. Okay, means the lower bound means upper side, this way. So at that time end equals to mid minus 1. This is what happened. Then again came match not found. Then big equals at the very last moment, big equals to 7, end equals to 7. At that time it found. Suppose E, let's do it again. Suppose let's 25. Then at 14 it is not. 25 is in lower bound, so obviously if it is lower bound, then end value will be changed. This is what it is going on. Again 21, 20, so again 2 is equal to 2 minus 1. That's way. That's it. If I press it, it is in exit control infinite loop. Okay, that's it. This way it is goes on. In case of ascending, if the num value is greater than the mid value, then end num value is greater than the beginning will be changed equals to mid plus 1. And else if the num value is less than the mid value, then end equals to mid minus 1, and vice versa. For case of descending, this is the descending. Big will be changed when num value is less than mid, go for the lower bound. And in case of ascending, this is the case. That's it. Very simple. Okay, up to this much. I hope it's clear to all of you. Thank you so much.